Okay, good morning, students. Okay, once again, we are starting with the class of physical education. So, we have already done what is physical education. What is the definition of physical education? Education that deals with a big muscle activity. Education that deals with a big muscle activity and there is related responses. Okay, we are walking. So, when we are using big muscle activity, we are using big muscles while walking, while running, and all that. But what are the responses? How we are flexing our legs and uh, arms while running, while walking? That is physical education. Education, okay, simply you can say anything which we learn, that is education. But scope of physical education is vast. Here you are dealing with sports also, you are dealing with studies also. If you go in deeper scope, people are having different careers, right, in physical education. So you don't have to study one subject only. In a, at class 11, we are studying, class 11 or 12, we are studying just namesake only what is physical education, what are there are different chapters of physical education. But if you go for higher studies, then there are different subjects, history of physical education, then comes what are the kinesiology? What is kinesiology? What is biomechanics? What is biomechanics? Analyzing the human motion. That is while analyzing the human motion. That is biomechanics. So we this all we deal in physical education. But in chapter one we are dealing with changing trends and different careers of physical education. How physical education has changed from past till future, in present and in future. Earlier, people used to just, for example, in cricket, what they used to do, okay, just ball the ball, and okay, this is the best bowling. But now, what is the weakness of the batsman? What is the weakness of the bowler? How we can overcome that? How we can overcome that? That is also monitored by great analysts. जो बैठे होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, एक एक बॉलर ने कहाँ गलती करी, इसकी इसकी बाउंसर कितनी आती, कहाँ पे बाउंस करता है, ओके वी कैन गो फॉर सिक्स ऑन दिस बॉल, ये हाथ कैसे घुमाता है ताकि वी कैन गो फॉर सिक्स, वी कैन बी बॉल्ड, वी हैव टू प्ले डिफेंसिव, वी हैव टू प्ले ऑफेंसिव. आजकल स्ट्रेटेजी आर चेंजिंग according to the needs. Football, basketball, they have become far more fast games. पहले was there, Maradona was there. Okay, just push the players. What Maradona, what Pele used to do, okay, push the players, have speed, take the ball and you will score a goal. But आजकल ऐसा होता है कि on one player only three defenders come. But how to tackle them, that is more important. So we are dealing with Vasco now. There are different careers in physical education also. If we will be starting with in the field of in the field of teaching. Already we have done twice, but just a quick revision as the classes are just begun. Teaching. If you go for teaching, you can become teacher. Just not say okay in schools only, in colleges also, in universities also. In schools, if you are teaching, they are different. Like till class 8, middle school, till class 9th and 10th, you are teaching class 9th and 10th means you are in high school. Class 11th and 12th means you are in senior secondary classes. Then if you go to university, college, that means you should have a net. You should have passed net examination. That is National Eligibility Test, conducted by NTA. Conducted by NTA. Then you become professors, associate professors. Now, what is the basic requirement for being a teacher in class 1 to 8? What is the basic requirement? You should have a certificate or diploma course in physical education. Certificate or diploma course generally of 1 year. Now, when you are teaching class 9th and 10th, that is what you should have diploma in physical education, that is what a Bachelor of Physical Education. Bachelor of Physical Education. If you are doing Bachelor of Physical Education after graduation, then it is a 2 year degree course. Then it is a 2 year course. But from after 12th, if you are going to do BPEd, it is a 4 year integrated course. It is a 4 year integrated. Earlier in 2005, it was 3 years course till 2005. But after that, it has become 4 year course. Like a university like a US BHU, then comes LNIT Gwalior. They are conducting 4 year BPEd. For them, it is 4 year course. But those who are doing BPEd after graduation, like they have done BCom, BSc, for them it is 2 years. Now they can be teachers in school, but only for classes 9 and 10. Pick Now, physical education is becoming mandatory in all the schools, in all the classes, from class 1 to 10, 1 to 12. Now, the CBSE is making it important as well as mandatory subject in the future time. So, you have to knowledge about physical education. So, class 9 and 10, those who are teaching, they should be DPED. You can't say, okay, just CPED or DPED means certificate course or diploma course in physical education. You can be a teacher. You can teach. No. Generally, for teaching, what is requirement for teaching in class 9 and 10? You should be BSc plus B.Ed. Similarly, in the course of physical education, because BSc and BPEd, if you are going after graduation. Okay, in college, I have told you you should have a net care certificate. You should be qualified for net. You should have passed the net examination. Okay, if you are going for universities, in universities, you become director of physical education and HODs in universities. You should have a PhD. You should be called as doctorate. You should be called as doctor. Then only you will be eligible for working in universities. After that comes, okay, there are different careers that you can become gym trainer. What is gym trainer? Okay, just lifting the barbell. जिम में जाओ, एक काम करो, रोल खा लेना, बाइसेप के लिए होगी, ट्राइसेप के लिए होगी, दिस नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाट फूड दे शुड ईट, यू शुड हैव नॉलेज अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन ऑल्सो. हम इसको क्या खाना खाया उससे उससे ही मत बोलना. डोंट से लाइक ओके डू एक्सरसाइज, डोंट वरी यू आर बर्निंग कैलोरी, डोंट वरी आफ्टर दैट हैव अ फ्राइड फूड. चिकन फ्राई खा लो, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं, ये खा लो, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं. जनरली जो भी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट होता है, दे विल टेल यू डोंट गो फॉर फ्राइड फूड, don't go for junk food and all. Kyun? Because your health is important for you. Now, generally in gym, if you are going to gym, what is important? What you are seeing there, everyone is working on everyone is doing exercise, but there are some personal trainers also, like those who are which the gyms which is having good reputation. They are having a good chain like Gold Gym and all that. They are having good. They are that is a good chain regarding the gyms. So their trainers are ultimate. People who are generally go to such gyms only. They will hire a personal trainer and their salary will be you can't imagine also. Per person, per individual, just they are giving training for 1 hour only, but they are earning thousands, even lakhs per month. Okay, 50% is going to the gym, but 50% he is earning. Then of a platinum member, silver member, or even gold member like that. So they are having that membership. It depends on the trainer. Okay. After that, you can become a commentator. You can become a commentator. You can do comment in IPL. If you have seen, generally all the players, those are taken retirement from cricket, they are doing commentary because they are earning more. Like Sunil Gavaskar, he has played now, he is earning in commentary. Ravi Shastri has become coach of India, that's something different. But earlier he also used to do commentary, and he used to earn lakhs and crores. After that, you will become most important thing. Most important thing. What is the requirement to play a game? There should be some important people who will run the game. Who are they? Who are they? Who will run the? Who will play the game? Because of them, you are playing the game. Who are they? Eh? Coaching. Yeah, okay, I agree with you. Other profession is coaching. For coaching, there is a certificate course, there is a diploma course in coaching that is done in Patiala and its related institutes, Bangalore, Gandhinagar, and all that. Okay, why you should have a little bit of, you should have a national medal, national participation or state participation, but you have to pass the test. Then only you are eligible for participating for qualified at Patiala. You can go to Patiala, and once you have done the taken the coaching certificate, what you can be coaches in the sports council. Every state is having different sports council. Like Rajasthan will be having Rajasthan Sports Council, Delhi Sports Council. Now every team which is going from Rajasthan, that team will be going with a qualified coach. That team is going with a qualified coach in open tournaments. You can't say, okay, this player has played national, send him as a coach. He can't go as a coach because he is not having any experience regarding coaching. What when you have to change the strategy. Just for example, if you are going for 50 one day 50 over match, when you have to send the fast ball, when you change the bowling attack, when you change the batting attack, it depends on everything on the coach. So, for example, basketball, when you have to give the rest to a particular player, he's tired. How much endurance he should have. This everything is done by a good coach. So he should have a good knowledge about coaching. Every game is done by a certain few number of people. That is known as officials, or you can say referee or umpire. Referees or umpire. So what is important that you should pass the test conducted by the particular federation. Like athletics, you can't say okay, go there and you can't be official without passing a test. For becoming a state technical official, you have to pass a test in particular game. Okay, now if you are part of test of a state of technical official, you can participate in any state of tournament. That means Rajasthan, any tournament is conducted, they will call you. But when you are becoming official in national level tournament, that means you have to pass the tournament test conducted by Table Tennis Federation of India. Once you have passed the test, you are eligible for state as well as national also. Wherever the national tournament will be conducted, whether it is CBSC, whether it is HGFI, whether it is open, automatically they will call you. So you are earning double money, you can say. Salary, it is safe for you, plus the expenditure that federation is paying. The federation is paying. Okay. So there you have to pass the state level test or you have to pass the national level test. Then only you can become a qualified umpire or official or referee. Now comes you can say sports commentator over, then sports journalist. Daily, if you have seen in the article, daily if you have seen the newspaper, if you reading newspaper, there are articles coming. There are articles coming in the newspaper regarding IPL, pocket display, for this format. So anybody can't write the articles without having any information. So you should have a knowledge regarding journalism. So you can become sports. You can become sports journalist. You can write articles for different magazines. You can write articles for different newspaper, so that it is a side earning for you also. So there is a vast scope in regarding physical education and sports. Those who are taking it seriously, you can become a professional sports person also. You can become a professional sports person also. Right now, what is happening? Just you have taken physical education, why? Just for the scoring percentage. But those who are good players, they 100% will take physical education sport because they are seeing their career in physical education sports. They can be directors of physical education, directors in different universities, and you can be you can run you can be a good administrator also. There are some universities that are linked directly to sports only. So there, what is required? You should be a good administrator. That everything is running smoothly in that university. Those those players which are being made in that university, or those teachers which are being made in universities, you should have a good administrator. For example, in school only they are saying that you can't make anybody as a principal. Okay, this teacher should be made as a principal. No, there might be some qualification only. He might have passed MBA, or he might have done BEd or all that. Without BEd, he can't be a teacher. And without BEd, he can't be a principal also. So there are some qualifications. Then only you can be a good administrator. So these are all the different careers in the field of physical education and sports. After that comes, that also I was telling you, different sports. Different sports. Different sports in different competitions. Now, if you are taking any game, there are two levels at which the tournaments are conducted. national public, international. Now, for example, national whenever it is conducted for in football, it will be football national championship. But generally, a name is given like Durand Cup, Subrata Cup, and all that. For international, it will be FIFA. FIFA World Cup. After that comes this is FIFA. FIFA is regarding for a whole world. Now comes Euro Championship. You might have heard about it. Whenever the countries from European continent take part, that is Euro Championship. So all the European countries they will participate. But those only which have qualified for this championship, they qualify they will participate in Euro Championship. Regarding similarly, Asian Championship also is there. So this is whenever the international tournament will be there. Now comes one more tournament is there, that is Olympics, where Asian, African, as well as West teams, American also, they will participate. From each continent, one or two, like three teams will be participating and they will playing. After that comes Asian Games. This is just an example for football. Similarly, it will be for basketball also. It will be regarding for swimming also. Judo also, Kho also. But Kho, there is no international championship regarding Kho. Kho international championship means if generally if I have seen people in other schools of international championship Olympics. I don't know when Kho went to Olympics. I don't know. Only Kabaddi has gone to Asian Games, but Kho has never gone to international level. But people, those understanding, those who are opening the books in class 12 also, na? Because in the practical file they have to write, okay, one game they have to write. They'll write Kho. What is international level tournament in Kho? Kho World Championship. When it started, this year they started, wait result, this is the venue. Even it is not in the Asian countries only also, but they have made world countries playing Kho. See the situation of the students who are not opening. Actually, it is not the mistake of the students. What is happening? You are opening the books on the last day only. When now PT2 is coming for you, na? I think we are not open the book till now. Open them because this is a open exam, so you have to write a lot. Be ready to write. It can be 100 to 120 words also. Yeah, something to be there. Should be ready for it. Good, dear students.